Hi there, my name is Anastasia and welcome to my channel, Minjoja Family Channel. My channel is all about traveling to explore the world and also in most cases have travel talks. And today's topic is under travel talks. If you are new to this channel, thank you so much for coming. We appreciate you so much, and for sure you are going to learn a lot and you are going to enjoy a lot. Please remember to subscribe and hit that notification bell so that whenever you have a new video, you will be notified. For those who are coming back, thank you so much for your continued support. For sure, we do appreciate that so much. Today's topic is first aid awareness. We all love to travel the world because at the end of the day, we learn new cultures, we meet new people, we learn new religions, we learn new ideas, we eat nice food from different countries, from different cultures. So traveling at the end of the day is good for us. After traveling, we benefit from that. So while we are on this trip, this wonderful holiday, this wonderful vacation, a condition or an accident might happen. And my question here is, are you in that position to prevent this condition or prevent this accident from worsening? Are you in that position to promote a recovery from this condition? And that's the reason whereby I decided to have this session, so that I may talk according to my knowledge more on first aid awareness. So what is first aid? First aid is that help you give to someone to prevent a condition from worsening, or it's that help you give someone to promote a recovery. So in this topic, we'll have a first aid, first aider, and then the casualty. First aid, we have said it's a help you give to someone to prevent a situation from worsening. And then the first aider is that person who is doing the help. And then the casualty is that person who is experiencing this accident or a condition and who needs that help. So we have a first aid, first aider, and then casualty. So what are some of the scenarios or accident we may experience while on our trip, while on our vacation, while on this wonderful holiday? During our trip, of course, we are enjoying. We are on that positive vibe. So we are going to laugh, we are going to eat food, we are going to use different cutleries. So we may experience a burn, we may experience a cut, we may experience a shock. A shock comes when you are exposed on sand for long, or you may experience a shock. You may eat food or while laughing and then have a shock. You may also experience a drone while swimming. It may happen. Those are some of the scenarios which needs first help. Before handling any first aid kit, you need to have gloves, and also emergency number is very important to have an emergency number, because remember here you are just preventing a situation from worsening. You are not going to apply any medication here because you are not experienced to that. You are not qualified to offer any medication. You are only the far you can go is just prevent a situation from worsening. So it's always good to have an emergency number, because a first aid scenario can lead you to call an emergency number so that that person or a casualty can be taken to for further medication. So emergency number is very important. So while you are on that trip, please have this with you. Ask the hotel where is the emergency number, and also it's just written on all through the hotel area. You'll just find the emergency number written all over, but it's always good to double check with the reception or the hotel administration to give you the emergency number. If you are not staying in the hotel, also it's good also to have to look for that emergency number so that you may be prepared. So God forbid, I'm not saying it's going to happen. It's just to give you a knowledge so that you may be aware. These are some of condition or accident you may experience and might lead to first aid scenario. So you may experience a burn, you may experience a cut, you may experience a choke, a shock, you may also drown, and you may experience a swell. These are some of the condition you may experience, and it may lead to handling first aid. Next, I'm going to show you or demonstrate, in cases you experience this condition or accident, what you are supposed to do. And this is according to my knowledge. I'm a first aider, so these are some of the situation you may experience and how you can handle them. So stay tuned. So those are some of the condition or accident you may experience and how to handle them. I have not highlighted all, so if you know more, you can just comment down, or you can just mention the condition and how to handle that condition. Like I've mentioned, this is according to my experience, according to my knowledge, so I have not highlighted everything. If you know more ways, please don't keep it to yourself. Share it on the comment, and I'm sure it's going to be helpful to someone who is going to read or who is going to watch this video. So that brings me to the end of this session. I hope this session is going to be helpful to you. You are going to learn something, and also you are going to share. You can also share this video to your friend, because I know it's going to also to benefit them. And thank you so much for your time. Thank you so much for everything, for subscribing. And if you have not subscribed to my channel, please do, and hit that notification bell so that you may be notified. Please be Minjoja family fan. For sure, you're going to benefit a lot. You're going to learn a lot from this channel. So until my next session, stay blessed. Bye bye.